Dear students, welcome you all again to the online teaching and learning session for grade 3 mathematics. Children, I hope all are safe and healthy. We know the importance and value of time. It is more precious. Once the time is lost, it is lost forever. So children, make the available time useful and worthy. Now let's start the session, children. Continuation of chapter 1, numbers up to 9999. In the previous session of number system, we have learnt about ascending order, descending order and comparing numbers. I hope you all would have understood the concept clearly. Before learning about the new topics, let's recall the previous session, children. First is ascending order. Here we have to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest number. In the first question, 5 set of numbers is given, that is 9563, 6593, 3569, 4359 and 2693. Here by comparing the digits, all are same. Then we compare the thousands place. Since all are different, we arrange from small to big as 2693, 3569, 4359, 6593 and 9563. Second is descending order. Here we have to arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest number. In the question, 5 set of numbers is given, that is 5015, 7903, 3510, 4782 and 8763. Here by comparing the digits, all are same, that is 4-digit numbers. Then we compare the thousands place. Since all are different, then we arrange from big to small as 8763, 7903, 5015, 4782 and 3510. Children, next we have comparing numbers. We compare numbers using the symbols lesser than, equal to and greater than. Here in first question, thousands place is equal. Next we compare the hundreds place, that is 2 is less than 5. So we write 7250 is lesser than 7520. In the second question, all place values are equal. So we write 3001 is equal to 3001. In the third question, thousands place is equal. So next we compare hundreds place, that is 9 is greater than 8. So we write 1985 is greater than 1859. In this session, first we are going to learn about forming the smallest number using the given digits. Children, here in order to form the smallest 3-digit number, first we have to arrange the given digits in increasing order. Let's see examples for forming 3-digit smallest number using the given digits. Here in the first example, we have digits like 6, 9 and 2. Now let's arrange them in increasing order, like 2 lesser than, 6 lesser than 9. Therefore, children, we have the smallest 3-digit number as 269. Children, in the next example 2, we have digits like 1, 7 and 3. Now let's arrange them in increasing order, like 1 is lesser than, 3 is lesser than 7. Therefore, the smallest 3-digit number will be 137. In the next example 3, we have digits like 0, 8 and 5. Now let's arrange them in increasing order, like 0 is lesser than, 5 is lesser than 8. Here children, 0 is smaller than 5, so we have to interchange its position. Since 0 in the hundreds place have no value and the number will become a 2-digit number. So we write 0 in tens place and 5 in hundreds place. Therefore, we can form the smallest 3-digit number as 508. Children, now let's form the smallest 4-digit number. So, first we have to arrange the given digits in increasing order. Let's see examples for forming the 4-digit smallest number using the given digits. Here in the first example, we have digits like 8, 4, 5 and 2. Now let's arrange them in increasing order, like 2 is lesser than, 4 is lesser than, 5 is lesser than 8. Therefore, the smallest 4-digit number will be 2458. Children, in the next example 5, we have digits like 3, 6, 9 and 1. Now let's arrange them in increasing order, like 1 is lesser than, 3 is lesser than, 6 is lesser than 9. Therefore, the smallest 4-digit number will be 1369. In the next example 6, we have digits like 5, 0, 4 and 7. Now let's arrange them in increasing order, like 0 is lesser than, 4 is lesser than, 5 is lesser than 7. Here 0 is smaller than 4. So we have to interchange its position. Since 0 in the thousands place have no value, the number will become a 3-digit number. So we write 0 in the hundreds place and 4 in thousands place. So therefore, the smallest 4-digit number will be 4057. In example 7, we have digits like 0, 6, 2 and 5. By arranging in increasing order, as 0 is lesser than, 2 is lesser than, 5 is lesser than 6. Here 0 is smaller than 2. So we have to interchange its position. Since 0 in the thousands place have no value and the number will become a 3-digit number, so we write 0 in hundreds place and 2 in thousands place. So here the smallest 4-digit number will be 2056. Next we have example 8. We have digits like 9, 7, 5 and 0. By arranging in increasing order, we have 0 is lesser than, 5 is lesser than, 7 is lesser than 9. So here 0 is smaller than 5. We have to interchange its position. Since 0 in the thousands place have no value and the number will become a 3-digit number. So we write 0 in hundreds place and 5 in thousands place. Therefore, the smallest 4-digit number will be 5079. In example 9, we have digits like 4, 8, 2 and 1. Now let's arrange them in increasing order. 1 is lesser than, 2 is lesser than, 4 is lesser than 8. Therefore, the smallest 4-digit number will be 1248. In the next example 10, we have digits like 2, 5, 3 and 6. Now let's arrange them in increasing order, like 2 is lesser than, 3 is lesser than, 5 is lesser than 6. Therefore, the smallest 4-digit number will be 2356. Children, in this session, second we are going to learn about forming the greatest number using the given digits. Here children, in order to form the greatest number, that is 3-digit number, first we have to arrange the given digits in descending order. In the first example, we have digits like 6, 9 and 2. Now let's arrange them in descending order as 9 is greater than, 6 is greater than 2. So therefore the greatest 3-digit number will be 962. Next, in example 2, we have digits like 1, 7 and 3. Now let's arrange them in decreasing order as 7 is greater than, 3 is greater than 1. Therefore the greatest 3-digit number will be 731. In the next example 3, we have digits like 0, 8 and 5. Now let's arrange them in decreasing order as 8 is greater than, 5 is greater than 0. Therefore the greatest 3-digit number will be 850. Children, next is forming the greatest 4-digit number. We have to arrange the given digits in decreasing order. Here we have example 4 and we have digits like 8, 4, 5 and 2. Now let's arrange them in decreasing order. 8 is greater than, 5 is greater than, 4 is greater than 2. Therefore the greatest 4-digit number will be 8542. Next, in example 5, we have digits like 3, 6, 9 and 1. Now let's arrange them in decreasing order as 9 is greater than, 6 is greater than, 3 is greater than 1. Therefore the greatest 4-digit number will be 9631. Then we have example 6. Here we have digits like 5, 0, 4 and 7. Now let's arrange them in decreasing order. 7 is greater than, 5 is greater than, 4 is greater than 0. So therefore the greatest 4-digit number will be 7540. Next, in example 7, we have digits like 0, 6, 2 and 5. Now let's arrange them in decreasing order as 6 is greater than, 5 is greater than, 2 is greater than 0. Therefore the greatest 4-digit number will be 6520. Children, in the next example 8, we have digits like 9, 7, 5 and 0. Now by arranging in decreasing order as 9 is greater than, 7 is greater than, 5 is greater than 0. So therefore the greatest 4-digit number will be 9750. Next, in example 9, we have digits like 4, 8, 2 and 1. Now by arranging in decreasing order as 8 is greater than, 4 is greater than, 2 is greater than 1. So therefore the greatest 4-digit number is 8421. Next, in example 10, we have digits like 2, 5, 3 and 6. Now by arranging in decreasing order, we have 6 is greater than, 5 is greater than, 3 is greater than 2. So therefore the greatest 4-digit number will be 6532. I hope everyone would have understood the topic forming smallest and greatest 3-digit and 4-digit numbers using the given digits. I want you all to work out these examples in your note and practice regularly. Meet you all in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning children. Jai Gurudev. Thank you.